Alright, so good day everyone. So we will be discussing about the conversion of units. So first, please like, share, and subscribe on our YouTube and channel and also on our other social media accounts. Alright, so let's start. So memorize first yung mga measurements, weights, quantity, volume, and the others. So, kailangan natin yan para mas makatulong or mas mabilis tayong mag-compute. Okay, so first is the measurement. So, yun yung mga conversion natin sa measurement. Kailangan natin yan makabisado para mas mabilis tayong makapag-compute. Alright? So, let's have an exercise. Direct conversion muna tayo. So, how many meters are there in 100,000 millimeter? So, our solution will be, for every 1 meter, there is 1,000 millimeter. So, ano ba yung hinahanap? Yung total meters. Yung total meters is equal to, kung ano ba yung given, 100,000 millimeter. So, i-convert natin itong millimeter into meter. So, kailangan natin siya i-convert. Lalagay natin yung meter over 1,000 millimeter para ma-cancel out yung millimeter. Kailangan ilalagay natin yung converted units dun sa denominator. So, total meter is equal to 100,000 millimeter times 1 meter over 1,000 millimeter para ma-cancel out yung millimeter. So, cancel out lang natin yung same units and the answer will be 100 meters in every 100,000 millimeter. Alright? So, exercise number 2, indirect conversion naman tayo or multiple conversion kung tawagin. How many meters are there in 100 miles? So, our solution is 1 mile is equal to 1.609 kilometer. And 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter. So, ano ba yung hinahanap? Total meter is equal to, ano ba yung given 100 miles, and then i-convert natin yung 100 miles into kilometer and then the kilometer into meter. So, for every 1 mile, there is 1.609 kilometer. For every kilometer, meron tayong 1,000 meter. So, cancel out lang yung mga same units, mile, kilometers. So, the answer is 160,900 meters for every 100 miles. Alright? So, next, exercise 3, indirect conversion pa rin, or multiple conversion tayo. But, meron na tayong Incoterms na isasama. So, our shipment is a cable or consisting of cable wires, and then, yung sukat nun is 7,281.90 feet. So, ang FOB price natin is $6 per meter. So, ano hanapin natin? FOB. Total FOB, and then, yung shipments measurement natin. Ano ba yung shipment measurements natin? And then, i-multiply natin siya sa meter per feet para ma-convert natin siya into meter. And then, yung price natin per meter. And then, isa-substitute lang natin siya. Ano ba yung shipments per measurement natin? Which is this one, 7,281.90 feet. And then, para makancel out natin yung feet, i-convert natin siya into meter. Ilan ba ang feet sa isang meter? So, 3.2808 feet. And then, i-multiply natin siya dun sa price per meter. Kaya natin siya i-convert into meter. So, $6 per meter. And then, cancel out natin yung same units. Feet over feet, cancel out. And then meter. And then the answer is $13,317.30. Alright? Yan yung total FOB natin. So, dito na tayo sa weight. Ayan yung mga conversion na kailangan natin kabisaduhin pa rin. So, let's have an exercise for direct conversion naman. How many pounds are there in 10,000 kilograms? So, the solution is, for every 1 pound, there is 0.4536 kilogram. So, ano ba yung nahanap natin? Total pounds. Ano ba yung given natin? 10,000 kilograms is total pounds is equal to 10,000 kilograms, and then i-convert natin yung kilograms into pound. So for every 1 pound, there is 0.4536 kilograms. Kailangan natin siyang ilagay sa baba para ma-cancel out yung kilogram. So cancel out same units, and then the total pounds is 22,045.86 pounds. Alright, for every 10,000 kilograms. So next, exercise 5, indirect conversion pa rin and multiple conversion. So meron na naman tayong Incoterms. Total number of boxes are 220, and then our gross weight is 3,425 grams per box. So our ex-works value is $12 per pound. So let's find the total ex-works value. So total ex-works value is equal to grams per box times number of boxes multiplied by our conversion, which is kilogram over gram times pound over kilogram, and then multiply by the price over pound. So i-substitute na natin. So ano ba yung grams per box natin? Grams per box. So 3,425 grams per box para ma-cancel out natin yung box. So ano ba yung nandito? Number of boxes. Ilan ba yung boxes natin? 220. Substitute natin. And then, substitute na natin yung box dito. Kailangan natin i-cancel out to, yung grams. Paano natin maka-cancel out? Siyempre, i-convert natin. So, for every 1,000 grams, meron kang 1 kilogram. And then, para ma-convert din natin ulit yung kilogram, kailangan natin maghanap ng kilogram. So, 0.4536 kilogram for every 1 pound. And then, ano ba yung price natin ng ex-works? $12 per pound. So, cancel out natin yung same units. Box, grams, kilograms, pounds. Ano yung natira? Diba yung price? So, let's calculate it. 3,425 times 220 divided by 1,000 kasi nasa baba siya, and then divided by again by 0.4536, and then multiplied it by $12. So the answer is, our ex-works value is $19,933.86. So next, quantity. Ayan, conversions natin ng quantity. So alam naman na natin yan. So let's have an exercise again. Indirect conversion naman tayo and multiple conversion. So how many dozen are there in 50,000 gross? So our solution is total dozen is equal to total gross multiplied by pieces over gross and multiplied by dozen over pieces. So, substitute. How many gross? 50,000 gross. And then multiplied by conversion natin. 144 pieces for every 1 gross. And then multiply again by 1 dozen is equal to 12 pieces. And then cancel out yung mga same units, gross, pieces. And then, the total dozen is equal to 600,000 dozen for every 50,000 gross. Alright? So, next, exercise 7. Indirect conversion or multiple conversion. So, meron na naman tayong Incoterms. So, our shipment is 5,050 gross of bolt nuts, and our DAP price is $0.45 per dozen. So, our total freight is $300. So, let's find the DAP value. The total DAP value, rather. So, our total DAP is equal to our shipment multiplied by the pieces per gross. And then, multiplied again by the dozen per pieces. And then, multiply again by the price per dozen. So, substitute. So, ano ba yung shipment natin? So, 5,050 gross multiplied by yung conversion natin. For every gross, meron tayong 144 pieces. And then, convert na naman natin yung pieces into dozen. So, for every 1 dozen, meron tayong 12 pieces. And then, multiplied by our DAP price, which is $0.45 per dozen. So, cancel out same units, pieces, gross, and dozen. So, ano yung natira? Yung price. Yung dollar. So, the answer is $27,270. Alright? So, let's go to volume. Kailangan natin din yan i-memorize. Medyo marami-rami yan. And then, let's go another exercise. So, our shipment is general cargo. So, our total CFR is $25,487. Our total volume is 45 cbm. So, ocean freight rate is equal to $2.6 per cubic feet. So, let's find the total value. So, our solution is, first muna, yung total freight. Kailangan natin ma-convert yung total freight. So, total freight is equal to 45 cubic meter or CBM multiplied by our conversion. Ano ba yung convert natin? Yung CBM, syempre, into feet para makuha natin yung price. Kasi ito yun, di ba? Per cubic feet siya. So, for every cubic feet, meron tayong CBM. So, meron tayong conversion sa CBM. And then, multiplied natin yun by price per cubic feet. So, substitute. So, 45 CBM multiplied by ilang cubic feet tayo meron sa CBM? 35.31445 cubic feet per CBM. And then, multiplied it by the price over cubic feet. So, the answer is, or cancel out same units, CBM, cubic feet, anong natira? Yung price. So, the total freight is $4,131.79. So, freight pa lang yan, ha? Sunod, yung total FOB naman. Ano ba ang formula ng total FOB? Ano ba yung mga given natin? Meron tayong CFR, meron tayong freight. So, CFR minus total freight is equal to total FOB. So, ano ba yung total CFR natin? $25,487. Ililess natin doon yung kaninang kinompute natin, which is the $4,131.79. So, the answer for our total FOB is $21,355.21. Right? So, next, 20-footer equivalent unit or TEU. So, kailangan natin tong i-memorize again, no? Yung 1 TEU is equal to 1 by 20-footer van. Okay, so let's proceed to the exercise. So, our shipment is 10 na general cargo. So, our freight is $840 per TEU. Arrastre charge rate is 3,500 peso per TEU. So, let's find the total arrastre charges. So, the solution is total arrastre charge is equal to total TEU multiplied by the arrastre charge per TEU. So, ano ba yung arrastre charge rate natin na per TEU? Diba meron tayong given? So, substitute natin. 10 TEU. Ilan ba yung TEU natin? No? So, sa isang TEU, yan. 10 TEU kasi 20 yan. So, meron tayong 10 TEU. And then, arrastre charge natin, which is 3,500 pesos per TEU. So, cancel out same units. And the answer for the total arrastre charges is 35,000 pesos. Alright? So, revenue ton by C. So, if only weight is given and there is no volume, 1 revenue ton is equal to 1 metric ton. So, if the weight and volume are both given, 1 revenue ton is equal to the total metric ton versus dun sa total CBM. So, whichever is higher. So, let's go to the exercise. Our shipment is 23 crates of machinery parts. So, our gross weight is 840 kilograms per crate. So, our dimension, 0.5 by 1 by 1.5 meter per crate. So, our arrastre rate is equal to 1,870 pesos per revenue ton. So, let's find out the arrastre charge, net of VAT. What does it mean, net of VAT? Ibig sabihin, hindi kasama yung VAT. Alright? So, solution, first muna yung total CVM muna. So, ano ba yung given natin sa dimension? 0.5 by 1 by 1.5 meter per crate. So, yung i-convert natin siya into CBM. So, ilan bang crate meron tayo? So, 23 crates. And then, cancel out same units. So, ito muna. 0.5 times 1 times 1.5 meter. O, ano ba yun? E di 0.75 CBM. Paano naging CBM? Kasi lahat yan meter, meter, meter. Kaya siya naging CBM or cubic meter. Naging tatlong meter siya. And then, over crate and multiplied by 20 crates. So, cancel out same units. Ang natira ay 17.25 CBM. Alright? So, next. Total metric ton naman. 840 kilograms yung gross weight natin per crate multiplied by ilang crates ba? So, 23 crates. Multiplied by 1,000 kilograms per metric ton. So, cancel same units. And then, kilograms. And then, the answer is 19.32 metric ton. So, ano ba yung mas higher? Yung kanina o yung ito? Diba ito? So, total arrastre charge is 12.32 RT multiplied by 1,870 pesos per revenue ton. Cancel out. So, ang total arrastre charge natin is 23,038.40 net of VAT. So, hindi kasama yung VAT. Pero pag kasama yung VAT or VAT included or with VAT, multiply natin siya into 12%. Alright? So, let's go to the chargeable weight by air. So, for air shipments only, chargeable weight is equal to the gross weight, actual gross weight, or volume weight, kung sino yung mas mataas sa kanila. So, ayan, no? Volumetric weight per IATA cargo tariff. So, meron tayong tatlong conversion dyan. Kung meron tayong per inches, cubic centimeter, or meter. Alright? Cubic inches, cubic centimeter, or cubic meter. Ayan yung formula natin. So, meron tayong note dito. Apply rounding off rules for volumetric weight used as chargeable weight. Mag-rounding off rules ka lang pag ang volumetric weight mo ay yung chargeable weight. So, ano ba yung rounding off rules natin? So, yung rounding off rules natin, yung halimbawa, 1 point, yung for chargeable weight natin na volumetric weight yung gagamitin natin. So, kunwari, meron tayong 22.10 na sagot. So, ang rounding off nun is magiging 22.5. So, kung mag-exacto naman siya na 22.5, retain lang natin yon 22.5 pa rin. Pero, pag naging 22.51 naman, magiging whole number na siya, which is 23. Alright? Yun yung rounding off rules natin, pag ginamit lang natin si volumetric weight as chargeable weight. Pero kung hindi siya, yung magiging chargeable weight natin, doon tayo magbabase sa actual gross weight or doon sa volumetric weight, whichever is higher. Alright? So, let's have an exercise. So, our shipment is general cargo. Yung packing nun ay 38 cartons with a dimension of 45 by 65 by 85 cm per carton. Cubic centimeter per carton. So, our actual gross weight is equal to 45 kg per carton, and IATA freight rate is equal to $2.3 per kilogram. So, let's find the total freight charges. So, our solution is, kunin muna natin yung volumetric weight. So, ano ba yung given natin? Cubic centimeter. So, 45 times 65 times 85 centimeter per carton, and then multiplied natin by ilang cartons meron tayo? 38 cartons. And then, yung 6,000 cubic centimeter natin into kilogram. Alright? So, cancel out same units. And then, our total volumetric weight is 1,574.625 kilograms. So, ayan yung volumetric weight natin. Alright? So, next is yung actual gross weight naman, which is 46 kilograms per carton. Ilang cartons ba meron tayo? 38 cartons. So, cancel out same units. Matitira ay 1,748 kilograms is higher than volumetric weight. Alright? So, ang gagamitin nating chargeable weight is yung volumetric weight. So, let's find the freight charges. Our total freight charges is equal to IATA freight multiplied by our chargeable weight. So, $2.3 per kilogram multiplied by 1,748 kilograms. The answer is $4,020.40. That's our freight charges, right? So, that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.